Sup guys, right now we're looking at Santa sleeping.
Brother, this belly of his actually moves. Is he alive?
Actually, he might be. And then look, his wife is right there, bro. Like grandma's like literally sleeping right there. Bro's dead.
Bro, nobody knows.
Santa's the only one living. Like look, he's actually breathing. The toys might become real.
Nobody knows, but Santa is very old, but he is actually living. He gives us presents.
Someone needs to tell him to chill.
Bro, this dude has too much aura, dude. He's too good.
Bro, look at the Christmas tree. Poor grandma. Bro's actually R.I.P. Like she's actually dead. And look at the Christmas tree. It's so good.
Bye, guys.